Mr. Runyon, can you turn on your video?
Yeah, I think it's on, ain't it?
Should be a button at the bottom that says start video. You should have a start video. It's next to the microphone button, sir.
Yeah, my girlfriend's doing it because I don't understand.
Hang on 1 second.
Oh, great.
Mr. Runyon, it's the button next to the microphone on the bottom. You should see a microphone. That's mute and unmute. You're fine on that. Don't mute yourself. Next to it is a video camera. It should say stop video or start video. So you want to start your video. You want to hit that video camera.
It says it's unable to detect a camera.
Okay, then you don't have camera abilities.
It was working when we talked, and the judge earlier when we talked, why ain't it working now?
I have no idea. But if the judge saw you, then she'll say and see without seeing you. You don't have any objections, do you, Ms. Rapp?
I don't have any objections on that.
You'll be fine, Mr. Runyon. We're just waiting for the judge to get back.
Yeah, I can see and hear you, Miss Rapp, but we had a hard time getting on it when we first got on it. What is it going to take to get my regular license back, not my CDL?
That's up to the Secretary of State. That's something you have to go see the Secretary of State about. It's nothing that probation or the judge can interfere with. Secretary of State has the sole authority to take away and to give you your license.
Okay.
Well, they weren't taken away. They were just locked.
Yeah, they wasn't taken away. They were just blocked.
Secretary of State will let you know how to unblock it. It's all up to them.
So what, Michigan Secretary of State?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry about that. I had to take a phone call. People versus Kevin Runyon.
In respect for Your Honor, Sam Richardala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Runyon. Your Honor, please, the date and time set for sentencing. I'm going over the report with Mr. Runyon. There are no errors, omissions, corrections, or deletions. We're going to respectfully request you adopt the recommendations made by probation.
I am going to follow the probation recommendation and not put him on probation. It's a $700 fine. There's $145 in state costs. There's $100 in fees and a $45 clearance to get his license back for a total of $990. I have an email address for you and a phone number, Mr. Runyon. Can you make $100 a month payments on this?
Yes. Now,
All
can
right.
I pay more if I got
You
it?
can pay more. Yes, you can. I'll do $100 a month payment plan, and that'll be for 10 months with the last payment being $90, but you can pay it off in the meantime if you want to. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're all set. Thank you very much and have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
You
Yeah,
too.
mhm.
Bye-bye.
And Miss Robinson is joining us, Mr. Jadala. She's also yours, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Do you need a breakout room with her?
A very, very brief one. Yes, Judge.
Okay, Miss Robinson, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Jadala, and then
Okay.
I'll do your sentencing. So all you have to do is go ahead and hit join.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Are you ready, Mr. Jadala?
Yes, Your Honor.
People versus Taryn Robinson. You had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson.
And respectfully, Sam Jadala, P62186. Appearing on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for sentencing. I've gone over the pre-sentence report with Ms. Robinson. There are no errors, omissions, corrections, or deletions. At this time, we respectfully request you adopt the recommendations made by probation, Your Honor.
I'm going to follow those recommendations. It is actually with her inpatient, I'm going to reduce the fines a little bit to $400 in fines and costs. There is a few late fees. I don't think is there a clearance for her license on this, Shannon? Doesn't look like it. Okay, so I don't see one. So actually, there's a $500 bond. I'll apply the bond and close it out.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Miss Robinson.
Yes.
Good job on you did the voluntary inpatient. And how where did you do that at?
I did it in Fort Pierce, Florida at Beachside Rehab. I went down there, I believe March 2nd, and I didn't leave until I did like a 2-week inpatient thing.
Yeah.
And then I did like their sober living and IOP down in Florida for like 6 months. I came back in September, back to Detroit, Michigan.
Right. I had that note in my file.
Okay.
That's what we'll do with it then. And how have you been since?
I've been okay. I only drank once since I've been back home. Because my best friend's birthday, the reason that was in that whole situation, because my best friend passed away.
I have that notation.
Yeah, and his birthday came up his birthday was April 16th, and I had a drink on April 9th. Nothing bad happened, but I did have some wine. Nothing bad happened, but I definitely drank that day. But that's the only time that I did from the whole time from last year.
Okay. All right. Well, good luck with everything. And I will I'll close the file out. Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You're
you, Judge.
welcome. Have a great day. Thanks, Mr. Jadala.